Hello guys, welcome to today's another cooking video. Today we're gonna be cooking breakfast. One of the breakfast items that I really love is French toast and pancakes. This is one of my favorite recipe. For this recipe we're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of mixed nuts, that's walnuts, pistachios, almonds, and cashews. And also we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup and a half of milk, whole milk, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and also 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And of course we're gonna need some butter. And also I'm going to add some mixed berry chutney or some mixed berry jelly. So for this one I have over here 2 cups of frozen mixed berry blend, and 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1.5 cup of water. This is for all we need for this recipe. I mean, if you would not prefer the mixed berry jam or sauce, you don't have to. But it's a really nice combo, really nice combination with pancakes. So this is what we're gonna do today, and I just wanna say thank you guys for watching my cooking videos and spending some time with me. And
okay guys, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna blend all the ingredients. We got the milk first, and I'm gonna use the mixed nuts as well, and then some of the baking powder, cinnamon, and sugar, and also the seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, and the flour. The flour, I like to put it right pretty much at the end, not at the beginning, so it doesn't get stuck on the bottom of the blender. Now we have blend our ingredients. I'm gonna pour it into a metal bowl because I'm going to mix it with 2 whole eggs. Try to use a plastic spatula so you can remove all the remaining batter from the blender. And I'm gonna add the 2 whole eggs in there. And I wanna whisk the eggs into the butter, pancake batter. And adding these 2 eggs in this process, it makes the pancake texture much softer and fluffy. Up to this point, make sure the butter is nice and smooth, not too thick, and of course not too loose. If it's too thick, make sure you add a little bit more milk. And while I was making my pancake mix batter, I had my mixed berry already on the stove, and bring it to a boil, and then let them simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once the mixed berries are soft, get a spoon and try to smash them. What we're doing here is trying to speed it up the process and get all the juices out from the berries and incorporate it into its own sauce. And I have my preheated non-stick pan, a medium-high heat, a little bit butter. Then I'm gonna pour out 1 ladle of pancake mix. Trying to make like a nice round pancake if you can, of course. Or what you can do is just tap the pan so it's spread out around on its own. Once you pour your mixed pancake butter on the pan, it will take at least a minute and a half in order to flip it. And of course, if you get a pan and try to move it around, and if it moves around, that means it's ready to flip. And also another thing to notice when the pancakes start getting bubbles, that means they're ready to be flipped or they're ready to be removed from the pan. That's another way to know that pancakes are ready. Now our baked mixed berry jam is ready after 10 minutes.
Okay guys, this is the final plate out of pancakes, and now the important thing comes right now. Try them. Make sure when you take a bite, take a little bit of everything. And make sure you get a small bite, not like this. Oh man. If you're working out and if you go to the gym and try to find the best pancakes, the best protein pancakes, or the healthy pancakes, this is it. This is really good. Of course, adding that homemade whipped cream, that is just heavy cream and sugar. That's pretty much what it is. It's optional. But having all the mixed berry jam, the whipped cream, it just gives a really nice finished breakfast. Sweet, but it's really delicious though. And it doesn't take too long. This batch that I made, it ended up for 2 people. So you can always save the batter for tomorrow, for the following day. Anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for watching my cooking videos. And I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys like this recipe, because this is really good. This is a real deal. One of my favorite one for sure. I hope you guys like it, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And thank you again for watching my home foods videos. I'll see you in the next one.